everyone, welcome back to another Sparkchasers vlog. My name is Lindsay Etten and I am the official video editor for Sparkchasers. Now these past couple weeks have been amazing. We love the turnout of the vlogs and we love to make them. Now for this week, instead of doing a regular vlog, I thought I'd switch it up and show you a little bit of what we do, how much fun we have, and what I edit each week. Now this is a blooper reel, so basically all of our funny moments. But before we get there, I have a question I'm going to ask the maintenance guys and the avionics guys. The question is, what is the difference between a maintenance guy and an avionics guy? Let's go get their take on it. Hey, what's the difference between an avionics technician and a maintenance technician?
Maintenance technicians only sleep at night.
Alright, now you can take one of the complimentary candy bars.
I don't know, I haven't thought about it. Y'all catching me on the spot.
Put you on the spot, man. You look like you're sweating bullets
Sweating bullets?
over this camera here.
No. I'm not used to being candid. I'm used to just sitting in front of it.
You're the star of the show, man. You got to think of something.
I know, I got people recognizing me out in public here.
You got to think of something.
I was even in costume.
Something
Still
weird,
got recognized.
All right, Bruce.
Hey.
Tell me the truth, man.
Well, I think the maintenance guys are a lot more dedicated.
They work harder.
They work harder.
Yeah, Matt said the avionics guys sleep during the day and during the night.
I think they're catnapping on the job.
They're catnapping on the job.
Boondoggle.
Maintenance technician.
It's all about the size of your hammer. Okay? That's all about the size of your hammer.
They use a hammer, they don't.
Alrighty, now that we got that out of the way, let's get to the blooper reel.
It's life at an airport. Trying to shoot a video. Can't shoot a video because the Army's outside flying around.
Phone rings, did you answer the phone? I don't like this.
Look at
That bulbs.
You lost the video.
Okay, alright.
We're not blaming
We're
anybody.
not even blaming anybody, but we can't reproduce our excellence twice.
Okay, alright, that's what we'll call it.
We're gonna have to wait so we don't hear crutches.
Crutches going in the background. Let me show you. Get going so we can. The question is, can you use it in a sentence to somebody else?
I'm having an issue right now. I think I'm in a real boondoggle.
All shoulder harnesses.
It's okay, you can stutter. Hey, I'm Ron Etten with Sparkchasers, and thank you for joining our vlog. Now this is where we're going to talk about airplanes. No, that's not right. So, what kind of things did we do this week that... shoot down again. Favorite thing about Alan Duke? Come on, man. Don't walk away.
When it's 5 o'clock and he goes home?
It's 5 o'clock and he goes home. Nonsense. Worthless nonsense.
That's malarkey.
That's malarkey.
I don't know that anymore than what vlog was.
Until next week. See ya.
You do that?
Yeah.
Take it and put it over, even though it might not match up. A little late.
Hey, Alan.
Oh God.
I got a question.
I'm not saying it. I truly don't know any secrets about you.
Say something negative about me.
Oh, you want me to?
Not you.
Where you been, Matt?
I like to work next door. I can't deal with the malarkey in this building.
I forgot about that.
They know what you want me to say?
Yeah. All right, back with Alan for one more week. Alan, this thing looks like a mess. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty apart right now.
Yeah, it's pretty apart.
So what else you do this week?
Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we hope to see you back next week. Thanks for watching.